Hey, Mike here, 71. Do you need more time freedom? Do you need more family time at the beach, making precious memories that if you're working 40, 50, 60 hours a week, you're missing out on? Well, I know a thing or two about that because I did. I missed a great number of moments and precious times with my family and kids when they were growing up. And there's nothing you can do to get that back because once you've lost that, and you've missed out on making those precious memories, it's too late. It's gone. So don't be like me at 71, where you're having to find a way to supplement your income because you just weren't able to make enough when you were still working. Fortunately, folks, I found a way to do that. And it takes about 2 hours a day following a step by step blueprint with a lot of done for you content and daily mentoring that shows you exactly how to do to create an automated system that makes money for you no matter what you're doing. Now, this automated system can give you time to take your family to the beach and make those memories or do whatever you want. It may be travel, it may be the beach, whatever it is that you're wanting to do. You could be able to do more if you had the extra income. Well, you could make up to $900 a day or more. And I can show you how to do that. You just need to put yes in the comments. Do it right now. And let me send you the information so you can get started. We have almost 5 months left of 2024. What if you could work up to six figures by the end of the year? How would that impact your family time? Put yes in the comments now. You'll really be glad you did. Thanks.